Thermoses reduce heat transfer by eliminating conduction, convection, and radiation.
The vacuum within the thermos reduces heat transfer through convection and conduction due to there being no particles within the vacuum that can transfer any heat. The silver lining within the inner flask also reduces heat transfer through radiation by reflecting any energy back into the flask.
To make your own thermos, you're going to need a plastic 2-liter bottle, a glass bottle, aluminum foil, tape, and a knife. You need the plastic bottle and the glass bottle to stick the glass bottle in the plastic to create a vacuum so you can keep your liquids cold or hot. You need the aluminum foil to wrap around the glass bottle to make it reflective so it keeps the cold in and the hot in. And you need the tape to tape it all together.
Our first step in making a thermos is cutting the top of the bottle off. Then you want to get the bottle and cut it in half. Now you want to grab the glass bottle and we're going to wrap it in the aluminum. You want this shiny side facing inward so that way the heat will be trapped inside. Our final step is we're going to tape on the 2-liter bottle onto the glass bottle. So here we're going to tape the very top first. Here you want to make sure you create a complete seal between the two bottles. By taping these two bottles together, you will be creating a vacuum that will prevent any air from entering or leaving the seal.